How to edit a PDF on an iPhone. To edit a PDF on your iPhone, first of all, go ahead and open up Files on your phone. Once you're in, open the On My iPhone folder. Then, go to the folder where you have saved the PDF. Now, select the PDF. After that, tap this pen icon at the bottom. The editing tools will appear on the bottom panel of your screen. Tap on the plus icon over here. A menu will appear. From here, tap on the Add Text option. Now, position your text as you like. Then set the size of the text. Here, you will be able to access all the customization for texts. Now, tap on the text to edit. Type in your text here. Once you are done, tap on Return on your keyboard. There you go, you have successfully added text to your PDF. Once you are done making all the changes to your PDF, tap on Done at the top right corner. By following these simple steps, you can easily edit a PDF on your iPhone.